Today we're working on a Stihl FC55, and this is the Stihl engine, the 4140 series. They have sold a slew of these, and this just so happens to be the Carb edger model. We're going to do a real quick carb swap on this for you, and basically just, it's real simple. Just pop your air filter cover off, pull the air filter out of there, go ahead and take an 8mm and zip the nuts off here. Go ahead and slide the air box off the carburetor studs, and try not to tear this gasket here. Easy does it, because you can reuse this gasket. Just like that. Go ahead and disconnect your fuel lines. Slide the carburetor and your cable slide up and out of the way, and disconnect your throttle cable right here. Should just pop right out of the groove there. If you need to replace your fuel lines, now would be the time to do that. These are still good, so I'm not going to worry about it. Go ahead and reinstall your throttle cable and get it slid back down over the carburetor studs. Seat the carburetor down onto the manifold and gasket. Just make sure that your throttle slide, there's a little pin. The intake manifold's got a little slot in there, or not a slot, but a recess for the pin. And what you want to do, you just want to hit the throttle and just make sure you got full range of motion. Riding a four-wheeler down the road. That looks good. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the fuel lines hooked back up. Go ahead and slide your air filter gasket back on, and then slide your air filter base back on. Tighten your nuts down. Now you don't have to kill these carburetor screws, just get them snug down. Go ahead and install you a new air filter. I just replaced the fuel filter in this not long ago when it started to act up on me, so I'm not going to replace it. Make sure it's in there good and snug. Snap the cover back on, and let's throw some 50-to-1 mix in it and see if she'll fire off. Go ahead and choke it. Make sure your switch is on. As you can tell, this is going to take very minimal carburetor adjustments. It idled great, had good wide open throttle. I've been real impressed with these Hipa carburetors off of Amazon. Every one of them that I've gotten works superb. I'll put a link in the description below with this particular carburetor, and also check out my Amazon store. And hey, you know what? Tell you what, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and move your little mouse, or if you have a smartphone, swipe your little finger over there and hit that subscribe button, and right below that is a little taco bell, and it'll just, and when you click the bell, you'll get all my newest uploads. So y'all need to be doing that for me. Appreciate it very, very much. All my subscribers, I just hit 25,000 subscribers, and it's just been a blessing. If it wasn't for y'all, More Medic 1 would not exist. So I'm flipping ecstatic. So y'all have a good night, and we'll see you on the next video.